Hello friends, my name is Radha Masood. Today we'll discuss about a topic plan schedule management. Friend, this is a very important topic in terms of project management and I would love to talk about this topic in detail. Today we will see that what does that mean by plan schedule management and what is the importance of plan schedule management in terms of PMI or PMBOK. So friend, today we will discuss in detail. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start. Plan schedule management. Friend, uh, the purpose of making this video is that I just want to share my knowledge about project management so that if any person is going to give an exam of project management in university or PMP or he is a professional and implementing the projects, so my knowledge can be useful for you. So I just want to make a very simple video in which I want to describe the schedule management in a very simple and easy to understand manner so that everyone can understand it and utilize the knowledge in his or her life very easily. So let's start. Plan schedule management. Friend, plan schedule management is the process of establishing the policies, procedures, and documentation for planning, developing, managing, executing, and controlling the project schedule. The key benefit of this process is that it provides guidance and direction on how the project schedule will be managed throughout the project. Friend, this is very important to understand here that schedule management doesn't mean a simple Gantt chart. A simple Gantt chart in MPP or Excel will just give you the dates that at which date which activity will be performed. Schedule management is much more than that. Planned schedule management means that it is a process of basically defined by a process of PMBOK, which defines that how to establish the policies, procedures, and documentation for planning, developing, managing, executing, and controlling the project schedule. It means that you, in this process, you basically, as a project manager, uh, do establish the policies and procedures that how you will plan, how you will develop, manage, and execute and control the project schedule. What are the procedures through which you will develop the schedule, and also not only the development of schedule, you will also control the project schedule. Friend, remember one thing, that it is a very important concept of schedule management in project management, and it is very important to understand that how you can manage it in the practical life. The key benefit of this process is that it provides guidance and direction on how the project schedule will be managed throughout the project. Friend, remember one thing, that normally we use Microsoft Project or Microsoft Excel to make the schedule for a project. But friend, normally it's a very common practice. We have noticed that most of the people think that only making a schedule in MPP is more than enough. Most of the people, normally project managers, also think that it is just important, just enough to make a schedule in MPP, a Microsoft project, and it's enough. Friend, as per, if you see the definition of PMBOK, project management body of knowledge, schedule management is more than that, is much more than that. It is not only a simple Gantt chart. Basically basically PMBOK expect from a project manager that he do all the necessary documentation, all the necessary procedures and policies should be established, that how the schedule management will be established, how the schedule management will be developed, and how you will control it. For example, let me give you an example. For example, you are implementing an e-commerce solution, and you made a schedule that in 3 months you have to deliver the e-commerce solution to some customer. Okay, so this is your schedule, and you align all the activities and you sequence all the activities to make a schedule for that implementation. Now here it is very important that you develop the schedule. Also you have to develop the schedule, so you have to develop the policies and procedures as well, that how you will control the schedule. Control means that, for example, you have to do the status meetings to control the schedule. If there is any delay is occurring from customer side or from vendor side, you have to escalate that delay. So all these things should be properly documented. Properly policies should be documented and mentioned in the procedures and the policies document. So this is very important. So friend, I just want to explain to you that not only the it is not only the importance that it is not only the importance that you are making just a schedule and you are just mentioning the dates. It is also very important that how you will control the schedule, how you will manage and develop, not only the managing and developing the schedule, how you will control the schedule as well. So friend, this is very important. Now if we see about, as per the PMBOK, plan schedule management is a process, and there are some inputs, tools and techniques, and output. The friend, this is a PMBOK definition, project management body of knowledge, that input means that how you will you will take some inputs. What are the inputs for this process? Project management plan, project charter, enterprise environmental factors, organizational process assets. These are the inputs for plan schedule management. And tools and techniques are expert judgment, analytical techniques, meetings, and outputs are schedule management plan. Friend, this is a plan schedule management: inputs, tools and techniques, and output. Let me try to explain you in a more simple and easy to understand way. For example, friend, you are planning that how you will do the plan schedule management, how you will do the schedule management plan. So what you will do as a project manager, you will take the project management plan, you will take the project charter. Enterprise environmental factors means that there are some special, every organization has some special characteristics, so you will note it down. Organizational process assets means some special documents, for example source code, policies, procedures. So all these are the organizational process assets. So as a project manager, what you will do, you take all these documents. What are the documents? Project management plan, project charter, enterprise environmental factor, organizational process assets. So you take all these inputs, and the tools and techniques are that means that you, by using these inputs, you take some expert judgment. Expert judgment means, for example, you can ask any specific project manager, any specific technical lead, to give you input about the project, that how much time it's required. You will do meetings, you discuss with some technical resources, technical lead, judgment. You take expert judgment. Expert judgment means the person who has having a very specific special knowledge in that particular domain. For example, you are implementing banking solution, so you take expert judgment from a person who has already implemented 3 to 4 solutions as well. So that is called the expert judgment. Expert judgment means a person who has having specific expert knowledge in that particular domain. If you are implementing an e-commerce solution, so you can take the expert judgment from a person who has already implemented 4 to 5 e-commerce solutions in the past. So this is called the expert judgment, a person who has a specific expert knowledge in that particular domain. So by taking the expert knowledge from the resources, by analytical techniques, meetings, you basically go through all the document. What were the document? Project management plan, project charter, enterprise environmental factor, organizational process assets. So after taking the inputs from experts and analytical techniques, and after conducting all the meetings, you will be able to create and prepare a schedule management plan for a project. That how you will develop the schedule for implementation of a project, and how you will execute it, and how you will control the schedule of a project. So that is called the concept of plan schedule management. Hope friend you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and if you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and also subscribe to my channel. And thanks a lot, and that's all from my side. Thank you.